So guys, pag-list na kami. And girl, this is a fit for today's going out. Para ako mag-outing kasi dala yung bag ko. May sabi ko kasi magkamaleta pero girl, masyado malaki maleta. So ito na yung binilang ko. Like, isang bag, backpack at saka isang gym bag. Kasi kasya naman ito lahat. So yun, paalis na kami guys. And girl, we're so excited to give my gifts na sa people. So yes! So guys, we're still here. We're here na pala guys sa Batangas. And yes, wala pa yung mga piso cause they're in church right now and slay. But yun. And girl, update! Oh, hindi pa rin siya nag-install. So yes, tomorrow punta na ako ulit sa Power Mac to get this restored. And hopefully maayos siya girl. Kasi parang hindi naman siya problem like it's an OS problem din kasi so ganun. But yeah, yun na lang. And ayun, nag-ISM na ako later for like Christmas Eve. And yeah, mas malasag dito sa fit na to, diba? Like this. So ayun, ito ako sa kwarto ng pinsan namin because it's Econ here. So yes, say hi! Yes! I'm gonna get ready na and this is like real the makeup. And ayun guys, ito tayo guys. So guys, gusto ko mag-ayos. Yes! Yes! Okay guys, pakita ko yung full fit ko. Wait na. So here's the full fit. So I'm wearing this Uniqlo top. And then the shorts, I bought this from Okay. And then the slippers is from Roman. And I forgot yung ano. Basta sa department store na SM. Ayan, this is the face. The face card. Can you please put the camera here? Yeah. So here's the face. Oh, hindi. Gilit naman ate ko. Kita mo yung gilit. Dapat ganyan. So here's the face.
4-star Camille, baby. Let's see it. Let's see it.
Look. Thank you. Hey. So guys, we're finding a spot kasi kayo pwede mag-picture taking cause kailangan mailabas ang gandang ito. Perfect ka dito, pero like dito lang ako.
Okay.
Sige, let's see. Yung ulo ko nasa linya. Guys, nagbibigay na kami right now. And ito.
Sa akin nga yan!
Wait.
Kuya, ang baba!
Wait lang.
Love you so much! Ay, si Kuya.
Ang baba ba?
Wait lang.
Ang baba!
Sino muna? Lagyan mo ng pamaso.
Dapat last surname by surname. Ang pakana.
Dilugin na yung nahubulog yan.
Ako magbibigay.
Okay,
Twistan muna, mamimigay siya eh.
Okay.
Ibigay.
Go. Twistan.
Teka lang, ito ka muna.
Ba't may bit?
Ako na.
Ako na lang.
Wag muna yan. I-describe mo nga siya mamaya. Kunyari hindi siya nabulog.
Okay. Ang paw, go. Give.
Go.
Oh my God.
Saan ito?
Slade.
Anong message mo kay Tristan?
Thank you for the salary.
Christmas gold.
Thank you for the Christmas.
Ano ang message mo kay Tristan? What the fuck?
Thank you!
And I thank you.
Buksan mo na.
Ano ba yung akin?
Buksan niya na kasi.
I only have one word to describe yung nabunod ko.
Second
Gay!
May napapagtan ako.
Lumilang ka kay Brapa yan kasi Maui.
Dali!
Kilala ko na kung pinabunod mo. Kilala ko na bunod ko eh.
Sino nabunot ko? Very tall.
Wow.
Very...
Dark and handsome.
Guru ako pa. Dalawa na lang kami.
Very athletic.
At dalig sa computer.
You Tristan.
Oh my God!
last day na today. It's December 25 and there's a lot of people here na namamasket of the things. So it's our time to give back to the people. So, Merry Christmas! Ayun. Merry Chrysler! Merry Christmas! Happy Christmas!
Talk to you in a week for New Year's.
Actually, after a week it's 2025. Oh my gosh, I'm getting younger. I just took a bath, guys, and ayun, I'm getting ready kahit na wala pumunta. Kasi palas na rin kami and everything. And hindi kasi pwede maging pangit, so I need to be pretty every day. So I need to like get my face done. And actually, I'm so excited na kasi pupunta na ulit ako sa sa Power Mac para restore. Sabi ni ate, it's restore daw. And ayun, para kasi magamit ko na rin yung Apple Watch. And wala na akong time kasi bumalik din ng Green Hills to like, doon kayo paayos sa mismong binilhan ko. Hindi mo siya sira, like, para lang mag-seek ng help. Kasi sa Green Hills siya and I live in Cavite ko, girl, ang layo no. Tapos hindi ko pa alam kung gaano katagal yung i-take nun. Eh may pasok pa ako since working na nga ako. So, you know, I don't really have time to go there and ayun. Kaya sa Power Mac na lang. At saka tatanong ko na rin kasi like, sana sure na, like, ay, nagalaw. Inaano kasi, gusto kasi like sure na siya na hindi na magkakaroon ng problems in the future updates and all. So, ayun. Kaya ganun lang. So, ayan guys, I'm gonna get my face done so that I can go down. Kasi mag-ayos pa ako ng gamit kasi palis na rin kami. Like, every game nakakuha ako ng 500. So, I'm lucky at this game, girl. Yes. Everything, and I went to Power Mac na, so apparently kailangan daw ipa-sure if yung past owner is like na-unpair properly yung Apple Watch. So I'm going to Green Hills this Saturday to get help. And actually, if hindi, bala kong papalitan na lang siya or ipa-brand yun na siya kasi parang 16K lang yung brand yun na Apple Watch SE 2. So baka gawin ko if ever. Pero yun, sana maayos and everything kasi girl. Guys, it's what date is today? It's 7:26 p.m. It's December 30 and we're on the way to Mindoro. We're just waiting for a porter. And girl, ngayon lang ako nakapag-vlog kasi dapat ngayon vlog umaga ka. So I was busy with work. Actually, nag-work din ako sa car and all because I have so much to finish and I want to be like free tomorrow para hindi masyado maraming gagawin. Kaya tinatapos ko lahat ngayon. So ayun guys, yun lang naman. Share ko lang. Nandito kami ngayon sa Batangas Port because we're going to Mindoro. Yes! I'm like, fit. I'm gonna show the fit. This is the fit.
Mismong ano pa.
Ayo. Our dinner for today is shawarma rice from Shawarma Shop and some fries. We get some fries and it's like 8:01 p.m. na. Di pa kami boarding. Wala pa. So we're gonna eat dinner first. Mabili pa yung parents ko ng pagkain nila. So yes, shawarma shop for dinner. Yes, we're in the house. Nagwalit na rin ako ng shirt because Mainit kasi sis. Ito na yung damit ko. This is from Genesis Clothing Co. Which is very nice. Very nice material and everything. And hindi siya super init kahit na makapal yung tela niya. And so I love it so much. But yeah, nakita niyo wala na ako energy. Dapat yung gagawa pa ako kaya ng another 10 pa. Pero let's see kung kakayanin ko pag gumawa later ulit. Para like bukas, very early na talaga yung gagawin ko. But yeah, tumula kami sa baba ngayon. And I'm actually happy kasi okay yung internet, hindi siya super duper mabagal. It's actually decent speed the internet, so I can use it for work tomorrow. But yeah, ayun, gusto ko na pahinga guys. Like mag-skincare na lang ako, hindi ko na kaya maglinis, mag-skincare na lang ako, then I'm going to sleep. Kasi why not?
Ito naman ako, Dick. Ha? Ano ito? Yes.
Hey guys, so ayun, today we're going to Bactiot, yung para like bus beer and everything. And ayun, this is the look lang for today, like very very casual lang. Guess I just wore a skin tint, powder, and a blush, and of course a lippy. And ayun, yung lippy ko is lip balm lang talaga, actually nilagyan ko ng petroleum jelly, so it looks so glossy. But yeah, and my Apple Watch, I super love it so much. Wait lang. Nakita nyo naman, diba? But yeah. On the way. Hi, it's 9 p.m. na guys, and I'll be getting ready na. Actually, cause it's actually 9:16 p.m. Ayan. So I'll be getting ready na kasi mag-aayos pa ako, mag-shower pa ako, and then mag-makeup pa ako and everything. So, ayun, pakita ko na sa inyo yung fit ko and all, cause I need to like hurry up. Kasi like, punta kami na iba't ibang bahay, cause syempre, in the province, yung magkakapamilya lahat, so yun. So, it will be a fun New Year and I'm so excited for today. So, yes guys, super thank you so much for being a part of my 2024. So, ewan ko, magkakaroon ako ng year-end message, pero ayun, I am very grateful of you guys and everyone, my family, my friends, of course, God, siguro pinaka-talagang pinaka-top na pinapa-thankyuhan kayo and everything kasi without God, I'll be nothing and everything. Huh? Yeah, I'll be nothing. So thank you kay Lord kasi I received a lot of opportunities and everything like this year. So ayun, yun guys, I need to get ready na kasi matagal akong mag-makeup and also, let's get ready! Ako rin ako sabi niya, di ba?
Ako na, sabi mo.
So, picture na kami.
Pasta yun.
Pasta. What's that? Pasta. And then, I'm gonna shoot my pictures, video cam, because I know it. So, here's the house.
Vlog takeover. Ayo. Say hi. Papakita namin yung handa namin. Outfit check muna. Outfit check. Wait.
Ano, battle.
Outfit check. From Shein.
Ang ganda na sa pagsakay na
Di ba gano'n lang ako mag-twerk? I can't! Ilan lang ako sa'yo?
Papakita ka.
Going back to Cavite. And ayun, I'm so happy that I have been here. And siguro ito rin chika, but yeah, I'm just trying to like, ano yun, use the last moments. Is the like, parang the last like minutes nandito ako kasi didn't get to like enjoy the view again. Kasi maulan din, tas nag-work ako girl dito, like legit. Pero pwede naman mag-work dito ako sa taas. Pero yun nga kasi maulan, so hindi rin ako makapanood sa taas. But yeah, ito yung guys, the view. I'm gonna show you the view na lang para din alam mo yung nafe-feel ko whenever I'm here. Currently 6:49 PM and kakatin namin dito like mga 6:40 ganon. And ayun, it's been like a while since we wait kami doon, so I'm very happy, my heart is very happy na kami doon. And ayun, wala lang, nakatuwa, like I have like 2024 was like one of my best years and dami ko natanggap na opportunities and all, so I'm very grateful for all the people na tumulong sa akin na yung mga milestones ko sa life at pati yung mga goals ko. Sobrang dami ko na-achieve last year, mga unexpected achievements as well. So yun, super thank you guys for always being there, especially sa families and friends ko, and of course, to God, kasi siya yung nagbigay ng mga opportunities sa akin and everything. So ayun guys, super thank you guys for the support. It's a new year, new opportunities will come, new challenges will come, but I always believe with God, everything is possible. So if you're going through something since last year, just pray to God. I mean, hindi ko sabi na just pray lang. Siyempre, you should also work on yourself. Pero mas sabi ko is pray to God yun. So, kung magiging helpful yung prayer and yung guidance and protection at saka provision doon sa'yo. So, ayun guys, super thankful ako for 2024 and I'm really happy na we're all of this together this once at a time. So, ayun. So, I'm starting the year with a smile. No matter what happens, smile. And, ewan ko. Pero hindi rin kasi maganda yung like super duper positive every time. Alam mo yun, parang you need to balance things, pero be positive. That's yung gano'n. But yeah.